Gaurav Chawla, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you, Vishal.
Gaurav, your directorial venture, Kaun Banegi Shikarvati, a dramedy which will be premiering on Z5 on 7th of Jan and stars Nasiruddin Shah, Lara Datta, and Soha Ali Khan, among others. Although you have co-directed this time with Ananya Banerjee, who actually assisted you on your debut film Bazaar. But to begin with, is the anxiety and nervousness different from, say, from a movie?
No, yaar. I mean, in the sense, it's the same thing, right? You make a story for the audience. You hope people like it. You hope people enjoy it. The anxiety, nervousness is the same. Uh, yeah, the box office numbers, stress is not on your head. It's that's the one thing. मतलब कल सुबह उठ के फ्राइडे का नंबर क्या आया वो दिमाग में स्ट्रेस है ही नहीं. So that's the one huge difference. You're telling a story, you want to tell it, you're hoping there's an audience who wants to watch it, and they watch it. And they'll praise it or they'll dislike it. That's part of the game any which ways. पर वो जो ट्रेड का पूरा आता है कि इसका मॉर्निंग शोज में ये हुआ, आफ्टरनून में 20%, फिर शाम को राइज हुआ, अरे राइज हुआ कितना राइज हुआ, क्या हुआ, अरे 25, अच्छा कल राइज होगा. और that whole game
Pressure.
just is not there because on the platforms it's a 2 to 3 week game. People watch it at their own convenience. That's why you make it, sit aram se and watch it, don't stress about it. So yeah, that's the biggest difference. Big.
So then, do you think now the reviews have become more important when it comes to a series or original when it's dropping on any streaming platform?
I think reviews are always important.
Yeah.
I mean, it's in the sense, I mean, I don't think you'll ever discount the fact that there are people who are watching various things and are writing about various things. That's their job, right? They're sitting and watching so many things. They're taking the time and effort to watch it, even if the product is bad. Tomorrow your movie might be shit or your show might be really bad, but they still have to sit and watch it. Or it might be very good and they enjoy it. So reviews are always important from any perspective. For more people to watch it, for us, I read all the reviews. I read all the reviews of Bazaar, and I learned from them. I understood things, and it's everybody says this. I'm not the only one saying it. सब कहते हैं कि हम सब reviews पढ़ते हैं और हम सब सीखते हैं, समझते हैं. But that's not the. I mean, why would you discount reviews anywhere?
बहुत से लोग ये भी बोलते हैं कि we don't care what review says, all that matters is box office and audience reactions, and suddenly now there's a change.
एक दिन audience गायब हो जाती है ना, फिर मालूम पड़ता है.
But Gaurav, how it all started? Please tell us about this story of Kaun Banegi Shikarvati that you have written with Ananya.
Actually, Ananya has written it more than I have. We came up with the idea. It all started with, of course, me, Nikhil, Ananya, Madhu, Monisha at MA, then Applause, and Sameer and Deepak and Priya from there came on board. And the idea always was, let's make a story that the whole family can sit together and watch. यार बहुत ज़्यादा dramas आते हैं, बहुत thrillers आते हैं series में. ये genre आता नहीं है. It comes as like a, I mean, yeah, it's like a small sitcomish world. They would make it. It doesn't come. We said, okay, let's make it like how, and we've grown up on films like these, right? Family, dysfunctional, romance is going on, aapas mein, the relationships, and the comedy of it, and the drama of it. And there's so much to explore, and gives you so many episodes and explore more characters. So the basic idea was, let's make something which is fun, colorful, has emotions, holds your heart. As Nasir sir says, Shikarvati yahan hai, that's all about it. It's all, the reason was where people can sit and watch together. We have a dog, we have 4-year-olds, we have 8-year-olds, we have, of course, 20 to 40-year-olds, we have Nasir sir, Raghuveer sir, we have 90-year-old characters. तो पूरा गैमेट डाल दिया हमने. बोला ये सब डाल देते हैं, जिसको भी एक अपील करेगा प्लीज देख लो.
But thing with series is generally like either it's word of mouth or sometimes or often they have this shock value, like something which you're not seen and we discovered it. be it Sacred Game or Scam or Bandish Bandits. Does this have that surprise element?
I I think what it has is shock to nahi hai.
I
Surprise because
that's
I
true.
think you've not seen this world. It's a wonderful cast. It's a wonderful looking product. I think it stands out because I don't know a series in the Indian context made in this genre for a while. So it has that. Shock, surprise, hopefully they watch it, word of mouth से जैसे भी होगा और वो अपने आप they'll discover things. But it's a clean, fun family world. और क्या कहूँ मैं, ड्रामेडी है, yes, कॉमेडी भी है, ड्रामा भी है. Somebody told me ड्रामेडी मतलब ड्रामा और ट्रेजेडी ना. I said नहीं ड्रामा और
And
कॉमेडी.
comedy, yeah. So then, you know how it works when you have two directors on board. Who does what, and whom do actors respond to generally?
No, I don't think it's a problem like that at all. We're all the same team. I mean, Ananya has been with us at MA for the longest time. She's also written it. So, series takes a lot of effort, yaar, Vishal. It's like you're trying to make a thing on a scale of a film, but in that much time. वो 5 घंटे की story है. So it's a lot of tracks, lot of characters. The advantage we had was we were shooting in one location. एक castle था, तो एक ऊपर shoot कर कमरे में, तो कोई नीचे. And we are in sync. We've all created it together. So everybody is in sync with each other. So that way it wasn't, the actors used to go to her a lot of times because she's a writer. कि यार Gaurav is saying, हाँ कर दो ऐसे ही. Like, but ये मेरा character नहीं है. And she's like, Gaurav, this character is like, oh, I said, okay, whatever, please tell them and please shoot. मुझे मेरे 100 juniors खड़े हुए shoot करना है.
So then, what do you think? Does Ananya bring that female gaze that required to understand the female characters in this series? Because you have Lara and Soa and others as well.
Of course, and as she would tell you herself, whenever you speak to her, meet her, that was a very important factor. I mean, she says that in comedy and in this world, women are generally the ones that jokes are on or the objects of jokes at times, right? Here, they're the driving factors. वो jokes बना रहे हैं. It's like 4 women are bantering on jokes and with each other over. It's like a family. वो आपस में भी बोल रहे हैं, एक दूसरे भी करते हैं, दूसरे भी करते हैं. So it's a very important factor. I mean, in the sense that it's empowering. I think the last time I saw something where women were driving comedy was Hum Panch. Hum Panch was driven by women, right?
Yeah.
And it was wonderful to watch them. We all did.
Yeah.
And that was it. I mean, that was the thing. And you got good actors, and hence they came on board, I think. That you're not 4 women show hoga, to maybe sexual होगा या कुछ होगा या वो psychotic है या ऐसे है. हम लोग ये सब नहीं चाहिए. हम ये please relate to them. ये है आप जैसे हम जैसे. This is what it is. They quirky characters, of course, but इनमें एक heart है जो आप सब में है.
You know, other cool thing about the series is it has a stellar cast, a mix of seniors and some very promising actors. Were you overwhelmed while directing them?
Like Lara, I've known for a long time. So it was easy. Soha is Steph's sister. We keep meeting all the time. So she's a friend. Nasir sir, of course, is like a legend. But the moment he came on board, you know, it validates you. कि यार कुछ तो होगा हमारे material में कि नसीरुद्दीन शाह 20, 25, 30 साल बाद comedy कर रहे. There must be something in there that he's enjoying and he's liking and he's vibing with. And he was very involved. Like getting Raghuveer sir on board was his suggestion. He was very involved in the whole process. So it makes your life easier when you have such actors. They're great actors. They give you the confidence and they're very confident in their own world and they were great together. So overwhelmed, not at all. After a while, life easy over.
So then were you on toes because nothing should go wrong, especially while working with these senior actors?
Yeah, you're always on toes, right? Senior or junior, or you have to do your job. I mean, that's what my job is. I mean, they've come there, they're working, and I have to do my job. Yeah, you're on toes. But with Nasir sir, it was very easy to be on toes because you would say, Nasir sir, this expression, that one. अच्छा याद है तभी वो कहा था, वो से. He has told me कि मेरे life की सारी expressions तुमने ये show में निकाल दी है. अभी बस कुछ बचा नहीं. I said, thank you. I'm very, very happy about that. The expression about 52. Yes, I will give it to you. But you're cognizant कि मतलब there's a certain age, somebody has to I mean, he was wonderful. Somebody was wrap somebody early. किसी का थोड़ा late कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. Hair, makeup, costume. You're four women in a costume-ish drama because you got these games and things happening. So you're aware of that. But we shot in a bubble in the pandemic. 2 महीने रहे एक castle में, वहीं पे shoot किया तो एक atmosphere बन गया था कि मतलब आप आ जाओ, आप चले जाओ, बाजू में ही रह रहे हो, यहीं पे shoot कर रहे हो. So life was a bit easier that way.
But each experience give you some learning. What was your biggest takeaway from this series, Kaun Banegi Shikharwati?
That you have to always work with very good actors. They make your life much easier.
That was a big learning.
Much easier. Yeah, very big learning.
What were your reference points for this series? Is there a movie or series that you always fall back on just for inspiration?
A reference point for Kaun Banegi Shikharwati was, like I said, Hum Panch and movies like Andaz Apna Apna and Hera Fairy because of the comedy and the whole Golmaal thing going on in it, 70s Rishikesh Mukherjee world, and international stuff like Wes Anderson's dysfunctional family stories or be it Schitt's Creek, where they're all odd with a lot of heart in them. Those are the reference points for Kaun Banegi Shikharwati.
Let's talk about your debut film Bazaar, which was a good attempt. It was also the launchpad for Rohan Mehra, Vinod Mehra's son. Do you think you will collaborate with him again in future?
I would love to. I mean, he's currently shooting multiple things. So he's rather busy, but he's a very good friend. And we keep talking often. And there was not much for him to do in this series. So we didn't work together. But yeah, of course, he's a wonderful person, very good actor, I think, very promising. And I saw his recent movie, IPC, the one that he just did. And he stood against in front of very good actors and he stood his ground. So, I mean, yeah, wish him all the best and hopefully we'll work soon. Yes.
Thank you so much and best of luck, Gaurav.
Thank you so much, Vishal. It's wonderful talking to you.
Same here.
Please stay safe.
Thank you. You too. Thanks, Atan.